And this meditation this morning says focus on birdsong. Everybody, focus on birdsong. Meditating on birdsong can soothe a troubled mind. Imagine your anxieties as the cacophony of animal sounds you might hear on a farm. Then above the background hubbub, imagine hearing the clear, soaring notes of a musical songbird. As you focus on the birds singing, notice that all the other noises fade away. Recall this technique when forced with anxieties in the future. It will help give you the clarity to face and resolve them. Focus on birdsong. Y'all got it? Did y'all catch that? Did that go over somebody's head? Do I need to break this down some more? Do I need to read it again? Are y'all with me? Huh? Are you with me? Did you catch that? Did you catch that? The focus on birdsong part. Huh? What it says is, first of all, it used the word cacophony. Do y'all know what a cacophony is? Huh? Huh? Listen, motherfuckers. This how I do the moment clarity over here. You big head motherfuckers better listen. Get your black ass up. I'm just playing. I'm going to read it one more time. It says, focus on birdsong. Meditating on birdsong can soothe a troubled mind. Imagine your anxieties as the cacophony of animal sounds you might hear on a farm. Your anxieties are all the noise you hear. The horses, the cat, the chickens, the cows, the goats, the frogs and shit, and the tractor sounds, all that, the motor running from a generator, all that shit is your anxiety, right? But imagine if you could cut through that cacophony of sound. Think of a cacophony like a symphony, a bunch of sounds, right? And you can focus on one sound, a bird's song. You hear me? Imagine hearing the clear, soaring notes of a musical songbird. As you focus on the bird singing, notice that all the other noises fade away. If you can focus, and let's bring this into real world. You're walking down a busy street and you hear all this extra noise, but you cleared it, but you got your headphones in and you don't hear none of that other shit, right? They're saying, now imagine your anxieties keep popping up in your head all day, every day. You worried about cacophony, a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Thank you, Tanisha. Oh, got some smart motherfuckers in here. Thank you, Tanisha. So, imagine you have a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Or you have a harsh, discordant mixture of feelings. A cacophony of feelings. Anxiety, worry, concern, doubt. All of that shit coming to you. Imagine if then you can focus on, not that shit, but the beautiful sounds of, I don't know, a songbird. Or, let's say, if you're dealing with anxiety, the beautiful sounds of reason, of harmony, of focus, of purpose, of divinity. Imagine if you could, through all of the bullshit, focus on the good shit, on one piece of good shit. If you hit it, if you get your eyes, let's say you worried about the bills and you worried about your kids' grades and you worried about your relationship and you worried about your health and you worried about all these things. But then you can focus on one thing, I don't know, peace. You can stop for a second and find peace. All that other shit starts to dissipate, starts to go away. It's not here no more. It's still around, but I ain't focusing on it. That's what this is all about today. The songbird symbolism is the symbolism that you can use some beautiful notes that you hear out here in the universe or that you have going on in here in your head and cut through the bullshit. Somebody said, D's Massage said, focus on joy. Woo! Focus on joy. When's the last time you actually had joy, J-O-Y, in your life? And if you haven't had joy in the last 24 hours, ask yourself, what is going on in my life that I will not allow joy to manifest in my life? Am I focusing too much on the bullshit? Am I paying too much attention to Kim Kardashian and Kanye? Am I focusing too much on Tom Brady? Huh? Am I watching too much other shit to get in touch with my joy first? Huh? Don't get me to preaching. Don't make me start preaching this morning. You see the man, they used the word cacophony this morning. A harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. How many of us have, let's say not talking about sounds, but what about you have a cacophony of fucked up feelings going on inside your head every day? Huh? How many times have you left work still thinking about what the supervisor said? How many times have you worried about what the neighbor is saying, or the people in your church are saying, or shit, even what your spouse might be saying? You got some drama between you and your good friends, and you're focusing on that rather than focusing on some joy, some peace, some understanding. Huh? Woo! Don't get me started. Cut through that cacophony of bullshit and get to the good shit. That's your moment of clarity this morning. I ain't gonna sit here and get in that bag, but y'all know how I feel. Cut through that cacophony of bullshit and get back to the good shit. Like this morning when Margaret came on, I was focused on some good shit. Working at Pizza Hut was hard, but doing the nasty in the Walk-In Freezr was good. Therefore, I cut through the cacophony of bullshit and got to the good shit. Yes, that's a moment of clarity right here on Joe Clair Live. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Thank you, Ayana. No, thank you so much.